Hi, I'm Terry. I'm with Hughes Heating Air Conditioning. Today we're in Levittown at the Edgeley Fire Company, where we recently converted their building from rooftop package unit to ductless splits. Why don't you come with me and we'll check it out.
Dan Pasciullo, Assistant Chief. We were looking to get something more efficient. We had had a lot of service calls, calling Terry in for breakdowns over the years, and we wanted to upgrade to something that was a little more efficient and cost-effective for the fire company. There was issues because we have a lot of different people that come in and out, so somebody would want 72 degrees, somebody would want 68 degrees, so it was always issues with somebody changing the temperature, and one room would be colder, one room would be warmer than the other.
We're here in the fireman's room where they tend to gather, hang out, watch TV, they have their meetings. And this is one of the ductless units here on the back wall that we installed. The reason that we chose ductless with this building is that the fire company, being a volunteer fire company, there's not always bodies in the building 24/7, and they were looking for a more affordable, efficient way to heat and cool their building. Ductless seemed to be the perfect fit for them. It gave us the capabilities to have zoning and different temperatures and all in the different spaces that they utilize. For example, in this room, when they have more bodies in here for a company meeting, they can turn down the ductless, and really cool the space for the amount of people that are here, as well as if they're cooking in the kitchen area or if they have guys sleeping in overnight. They can keep all those rooms at different temperatures and really keep everybody satisfied within the building. Initially they had rooftop units, one unit for the back side of the building here that did all of these rooms in one shot. And so for the guys to be comfortable when they were sleeping in or cooking or hanging out in the room, they would have to turn the air conditioning system way down, which would then cause the utility costs to go up and cool down the entire building versus the space that they're hanging out in.
I was here in and out while it was going on, and Terry usually has 2 or 3 guys that come in, and the installation process was very clean, quick, and just a few days, within a few weeks, we were up and running with the new units. First of all, it's a lot quieter, and it's a lot more easier to manage separately. Each room can be, or each unit can be 72 or 68, whatever the person or the people in that room want it to be. So rather than having the old type thermostat, we use the remote control, and it seems to work better for us. Here it's kind of a commercial setting. We have a large engine room with 4 bays in it, but again, we have the bunk room, which would be similar to somebody's bedroom at home. So he does both commercial and residential, and I would recommend him for any type of that work. We knew he was here in the area. He's also a member of the Levittown Fire Company #2, so he was recommended, and we've been using him for years.
Thank you for watching this video today. If you think that ductless would be a good fit for your home or business, give us a call today or check us out online.